Back with another chip theory video. Uh, Today we're going to discuss B minor. We're going to show that B minor is relative to D major by using the pattern for natural minor scale, which is a whole step, a half step, a whole step, a whole step, a half step, a whole step, and a whole step. So we have our chips laid out, starting on, assuming this chip here is B, the note B. We have B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, and A sharp. Of course, the B would come again here at the octave. After the A sharp comes to B. So using our pattern for natural minor scale, we're going to have a whole step. So B to C is a half step, and C to C sharp is a half step. So we have a whole step. And we're going to have a half step from C sharp to D, a whole step, another whole step, okay, to F sharp. That gives us whole, half, whole, whole. Now we need a half step to G, our whole step to A, and another whole step to the octave B. So again, our pattern was whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, and then the B is a whole step for natural minor. So this leaves us our notes of the B natural minor scale. B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, A, and B. Coming down, we have B, A, G, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, and B. As you can see, there's two sharps, F sharp and C sharp, which proves that it is relative to D major, which also has an F sharp and a C sharp in the key signature. Now that we know what our natural minor scale is for D major, we can talk about the triads. We have B, D, and F sharp, which is going to be a minor triad for our 1 chord. Our second degree, C sharp, is going to be C sharp, E, and G, which is diminished for the triad. Our third position, or third degree of B minor, is D, F sharp, and A, which is D major. Our fourth degree of B minor is going to be E, G, and B. It's a minor. Our fifth degree of B minor is going to be F sharp, A, and C sharp, which is F sharp minor. Our sixth degree of B is going to be the G, B, and D, or G major triad. And finally, our seventh degree of B, in the natural minor, is going to be A, C sharp, and E, which is major. Let's build our 7th chords atop these scale degrees. For B natural minor, we have B, D, F sharp, and A. which is our minor 7, B minor 7, first degree, C sharp, E, G, B. The C sharp, E, G, B is going to be your minor 7, flat 5, or a half diminished. C sharp half diminished. Because there's a major third between G and B. Our third degree is going to be the D, F sharp, A, C sharp, a D major 7, third degree. Our fourth degree is E, G, B, and D, which is a minor 7, E minor 7. Our fifth degree is F sharp, A, C sharp, and E, which is also a minor 7, F sharp minor 7, the fifth degree. Our sixth degree is G, B, D, F sharp, or a G major 7. And our seventh degree is A, C sharp, E, and G, which is an A dominant 7, A, C sharp, E, G. It's dominant 7 because it's a minor third from E to G atop the major triad A, C sharp, E. That gives you the dominant 7 or the flat 7 here. So those are the diatonic chords of the natural minor. Let's talk about the inversions of these chords. For our 1 degree chord, which was B minor 7, with B, D, F sharp, and A. Move the root and the B to the top. Move this our third, D, our fifth, F sharp, our seventh, A, and our root, or 1, B. Our second inversion, we have the fifth on the bottom, F sharp, the seventh, A, the root B, and the third D. Third inversion, we have A, B, D, F sharp. Coming back down, we have F sharp, D, B, A, D, B, A, F sharp, B, A, F sharp, and D, and back to root position, A, F sharp, D, and B, for our B minor 7, first degree. For our 2 chord, we have C sharp, E, G, and B. Remember, this was a minor 7 with a flat 5. C sharp in this example. We have the C sharp to the top. We have E, G, B, C sharp, G, B, C sharp, and E, and B, C sharp, E, G. Moving back down, we have G, E, C sharp, B, E, C sharp, B, G, C sharp, B, G, E, and B, G, E, C sharp. For our third degree of B minor, we have the D major 7, D, F sharp, A, C sharp, the F sharp, A, C sharp, D, A, C sharp, D, F sharp, and C sharp, D, F sharp, A. Coming back down, we have A, F sharp, D, C sharp, F sharp, D, C sharp, A, D, C sharp, A, F sharp, and C sharp, A, F sharp, and D. our 4 chord, we have an E minor 7, E, G, B, and D. The E to the top, we have the 3rd G, the 5th B, the 7th D, and the 1 E. Move the 3rd to the top, leaves us B, D, E, G. In the 3rd inversion, we have the 7th D, E, G, and B. Moving back down, we have B, G, E, D. Move the 5th back down, we have the 3rd G, E, D, B. Move the 3rd down. We have the tonic E, the 7th D, the 5th B, and the 3rd G. In the root position, we have D, B, G, E. For our 5th position chord, in B minor, we have an F sharp minor 7, F sharp A, C sharp E, A, C sharp E, F sharp, C sharp E, F sharp A, and E, F sharp A, C sharp. Coming back down, we have C sharp A, F sharp E, A, F sharp E, C sharp, F sharp E, C sharp A, and E, C sharp A, F sharp. For our 6th position chord, we have a G major 7, G, B, D, F sharp. Or G to the top, we have the 3rd B, the 5th D, the 7th F sharp, and the 1 G. We have D, F sharp, G, B, F sharp, G, B, and D. Coming back down, we have D, B, G, F sharp, B, G, F sharp, D, G, F sharp, D, B. In a root position, F sharp, D, B, and G. In our 7 chord in natural minor, in B minor, it's going to be A dominant 7, A, C sharp, E, G, C sharp, E, G, A, E, G, A, C sharp, and G, A, C sharp, E. Coming back down, we have E, C sharp, A, G, C sharp, A, G, E, A, G, E, C sharp, and G, E, C sharp, A. Those are the diatonic chords of natural minor. If we want the harmonic minor, we take the 7th note of the B minor scale, so B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, and we sharp it. We raise the A to A sharp here, which is going to give us a 7th chord on the root, A sharp, diminished 7. On the 5th, it's going to give us an F sharp dominant 7, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, E. The 3rd chord, we're going to have a D augmented 7, D, F sharp, A sharp, C. And on the number 1 chord, the harmonic leading tone, we have B, D, F sharp, A sharp, which is a B minor with a major 7. And that is the harmonic equivalent for the harmonic minor. Put back the natural minor notes. And that is the B minor diatonic chords.